Hey there, it's Leo from MarineMax Lake Norman. Got a new arrival to show you today. This is a 2025 Yamaha Boats 252S. This is the luxury model in the Yamaha lineup. This particular boat is finished in the blue exterior and does come on the galvanized trailer. It's a great option. You'll also notice this boat has a white powder-coated water sports tower, so it's a really sharp look. Coming around the back here, you'll notice that this boat has the dark interior. This is a cool touch vinyl for 2025, so it's a nice feature to have as well. Hopping aboard here, one of the hallmark features of the S trim boats is going to be a transom sprayer here on your starboard side. You can pop that up and pull that out. You've got that feature. You've also got a stereo remote and several cup holders back here as well. For 2025, all Yamaha boats are going to come with the receivers for the tables that go out on the back side of the boat. In addition to that, you're going to have a space here on your port side for your interior table to mount if you wanted to have a upward table back here. Follow me inside the boat, I'll show you some more features. On the 25-foot offerings, you've got storage under both of these rear seats. It's a great spot for your lines, towels, things like that. In addition to that, they both slide forward and back. Allows you to customize your entertainment zone that much more. Coming further into the boat, again on 25-foot offerings, we're gonna have this table set up here. You can flip this out, pop your table up, gives you a little bit more entertainment space here. You've also got a cup holder up here as well. Continuing forward through this, you're gonna have all kinds of lighting on this boat. Got two lights up here on the tower as well as several throughout the interior of the boat. Here on the port side, you're gonna see this really nice captain's chair with the diamond stitch. Got your flip down armrest here, and this does recline, tilt, and rotate. Like all Yamahas, you're gonna have a great helm position here on this particular boat. We've got our steering wheel on a tilt base, which you can see here. We've got our connect screen up here with lots of our features for the boat. Also got a wireless phone charger right here that you can pop your phone in. Nice spot to be. We've got a scroll dial for your volume and some controls for your necessary components, your nav lights, your horn, your bilge pump override, and things like that. You've got controls for your twin throttles here, and then you've got a couple cup holders back behind those for the captain. One big theme you're gonna notice on these 25-foot Yamahas is storage. You've got storage under the aft seats, you've got storage in here under your table. Also got a ton of storage capability in this head compartment. You'll see those pedestals I was talking about earlier that mount on the back of the boat. You've also got a dedicated spot for your table base and your table. A lot of people will use this as a porta potty or just general storage. In addition to that storage compartment, you've got a center locker here that opens up. It's a great place to put skis, your cover, life jackets, things like that. And your block off door here in front of your helm blocks it off and doubles as some more storage as well. Up here at the bow, we've got some very deep seating. These cushions are removable up front, and you've got storage under the rear ones. We've got cup holders up here, and one of the unique features to the Yamaha 25-foot line is a bow boarding ladder under this hatch. This is also where your anchor would be stored. This boat has plenty of great features we'd love to show you in person. If you want to come check it out, stop by our showroom in Cornelius and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.